Did someone say sorrel drink? Right over here. Yes, guys, you know it's a festive season and sorrel is enough right now. Yeah, man, sorrel day here for stone dog. I always hear my mother say that little saying. Growing up, I always hear she say that. When the things they bought enough, she said they have a stone dog. So for you don't know say the fruits they here enough and in season, you don't know we're gonna make use of it. So yeah man, so this is my sorrel. I'm gonna go over and wash them and get them all clean up. And then we come right back. So look at this, guys. Nice and pretty. So stick and stay for me and stick and stay with me on this journey for this one. Sorrel fruit drinks right over here. So if you have been watching my video, you know I have to wash my sorrel with salt. Yeah? I have to dash some salt on it and leave it in the water for some time. My sorrel is all washed and clean, ready to go in the pot. So let me give you a little rundown of what I'm going to use. So that's 2 cinnamon sticks. I'm using some cloves. I'm also using dry orange peel. I'm gonna use some of this in it as well. And you don't know I can't leave out my ginger. So my ginger has been washed. I scraped my ginger. Yeah. So, and I cut them in some thin slice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a big spoon or something to pound them, to get them a little soft, you know, so that when I put them in the pot, just to pound on them a little and get them a little softened, so that when I put them in the pot, it releases all that flavor that the ginger has. The next thing again, guys, you can go ahead and cut them up in bite-sized pieces or some little small pieces and blend it. You can also blend your ginger and then put it on your sorrel, but I like to just give my own a little beat it up a little, you know, as I would always say, and then just toss it out in the pot. So come along with me over to the pot. Yeah. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. Now you give your ginger a little beat up, yeah, and then I just go so boom, toss it over there, and then it's going straight into the pot. So you know all that flavor going to release in the water, yeah. So we're going to toss in our ginger, a piece of orange peel, cinnamon stick, and the cloves. Then you don't know the next thing is our bad boy sorrel. So the next thing is our water. I just have enough water just to cover my sorrel. So once that is done and I light my stove, I'm gonna go ahead and cover, bring that to a boil, then lock off the stove. So see you back when I'm ready to strain this, mix it up and all of that. Yeah man. I am straining off my sorrel. After putting it to cool, this is the next step. Time to sweeten. In with some sugar. So if that sugar is not enough, I'm going to sweeten this now, then taste it. If it doesn't taste to my desire, I am going to go ahead and add a little more sugar. Look at that. Oh my Lord.